In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser and then find the image you want to remove the background from. So let's say you want to remove the background from this bag. So what you want to do, you want to save the file. Just save it like this. Now you want to go to a website which is called removebg. Remove.bg has a software that can remove your background just online. The only thing you have to do is upload the file. So let's go to this website. Now you can upload the image. So I just dropped the image here. And now as you can see, the background will be removed automatically. And you can just download it by hitting download. And as you can see, the background is removed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.